I was listening to Casey and the Sunshine Band, a Sunshine Christmas, until this popped up in my Ubuntu system. A nagging screen. This popped up over and over, and I thought, wow, this must really be important. I'm like, okay, no big deal. I'll just update my Ubuntu system. Except I had no updates. Yeah, my computer says I was up today, so this was kind of confusing. So I ran some terminal commands. No big deal. It's snap refresh if I recall how to update snaps. Of course, you type in your password. It says I was up to date, but then the nagging screen says I was not up to date. So I thought, let me try this again. I'm pretty sure it's snap refresh, right? I think so. Yeah, it was contradictory. I was up to date, but the notification screen, I was not up to date. Apparently, Ubuntu has never heard of automatic updates, like Windows. Now, look, when it comes to Microsoft versus Linux, I try to be fair about these things. I really, really do try to be fair because I do enjoy using both. So evidently, something's not right. I'm probably missing an update. Maybe it's a bug. Maybe I have to type in more terminal commands, although, it's almost the end of 2022. If you have to type in terminal commands to update your system in Linux, yeah, that's not user-friendly, right? I think so. In the meantime, let's go dancing with Santa.